Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Rev is a company that provides various services related to transcription, translation, and captioning. It offers a platform where individuals or businesses can request the conversion of audio and video, content into text, translate text into different languages, and add captions to videos. Rev employs a network of freelancers who work on these tasks, and you can join this network to earn money by completing transcription, translation, or captioning jobs. Here's how you can make money on Rev. 1. Sign up. Start by creating an account on the Rev website as a freelancer. You'll need to provide some basic information and pass a short test to demonstrate your language and transcription skills. 2. Choose your jobs. Once you're approved as a Rev freelancer, you can browse available jobs on the platform. These jobs may include audio transcription, video captioning, and document translations through 3. Accept jobs. Select the jobs that match your skills and interests. Each job has specific requirements, such as language pairs for translation or transcription accuracy guidelines to 4. Complete tasks. Work on the assigned tasks according to the provided instructions. Rev provides an online editor to assist with transcription and captioning, making the process more accessible. 5. Meet deadlines. Make sure to meet the deadlines for your tasks. Timeliness and accuracy are essential for maintaining a good reputation on the platform. 6. Quality control. Rev has a quality control team that reviews and rates your work. High-quality work can lead to better paying opportunities. 7. Get paid. Rev pays its freelancers on a weekly basis via PayPal. The amount you earn depends on the type and complexity of the tasks you complete. Earning potential on Rev varies depending on your skills, speed, and the number of available jobs. Beginners may start with lower-paying tasks, but as you gain experience and build a positive reputation on the platform, you may qualify for more lucrative assignments. It's important to note that working on platforms like Rev typically requires a good command of the relevant language, excellent attention to detail, and the ability to transcribe or translate accurately and efficiently. If you have these skills, Rev can be a way to earn money as a freelance transcriptionist, translator, or captioner.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects.